Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace side front window guys. Let's say front left door, front right door, you need to remove, you need to replace the window guys. Stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, and that's the case with that Dodge Dart, maybe even more than 200 videos guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy car parts, tools, anything like that, we have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all that for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So let's go ahead, start on it, and show you guys what needs to be done to remove that front left window. The front right will be the same way as well. Now this right here guys, this is out of a 2015 Dodge Dart guys. 2015 Dodge Dart, and it's a GT, but even if it's a non-GT guys, the procedure will be the same. First we'll need to go ahead, remove the door panel and quite a few things, so we can get to it and we'll show you how to do it. So what do you need to do now guys? Okay, we need to start removing a few things. Okay, we have a few hidden bolts, screws like that, so we can do that. And first we will need to remove the master window switch, okay, in order to be able to remove the door panel. So check it out, you grab a plastic panel remover tool, pry it up, you have 4 clips. Let's show where the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. And now guys, all we have to do, we have to disconnect our wiring harness. Press in, pull out, amazing, we're done there. So that being said guys, what else we need to do? Okay, we need to remove that cover here with the same plastic panel remover tool. Get underneath. Okay, we'll show you where all the clips are guys, so you know what to expect and you don't break things. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of the metal ones actually stayed here, so we have to squeeze them. One is plastic, one is metal. Okay, I'll go ahead and grab pliers and show you how to get them out. So you can see guys, we got this clip out and we're going to position it on the plastic piece, otherwise you won't be able to install it. We have the metal one, this one may fall in, so we'll see. Yeah, it will go all the way in, so we'll have to remove the door panel to get to it, I think, otherwise I don't think we'll be able to get it out. It's plastic one. I thought it was metal, but it's not. This is a plastic one as well. So if you mess with it, you might be able to get it out, but it may take you a while. So we'll do that when we remove the door panel. But you got the idea. We have another cover right here that we need to remove. And under this cover you will have, okay, another bolt here, screw, and this one looks like it's okay, 7mm. All the tools and parts that we use guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please feel free to check it out. Great, this one is out. Now, what else we have? Under this door handle we have another cover. Okay, and this cover has a few clips, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. And under this one we have a 10mm. Okay, it looks like it's a 10mm bolt. Let's see how tight that thing is. A little tight. Okay, it's almost out now. It's actually a screw. I don't think it's a bolt, because if it's a bolt it goes way easier than that. Screws usually. Well, it is a bolt. I guess it is a bolt. So next guys, we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit, and we need to remove 2 more screws that we have right there under the door handle, the one that you pull. Now there are 2 designs of door panels on Dodge Dart, but the procedure will be very similar, I think. It will not differ too much. Even though we're demonstrating on the front left, it should work for the front right as well guys. Procedure will be about the same, left and right side, because as you can see, it's practically guys the same door panel. Okay, we just have one more that we need to remove towards the bottom. They're very deep, sometimes hard to see as well. So let's just point the light a little bit. Okay, so we can see, and that way you will know what you need to do, because if you need to remove your door panel, you can damage things if you don't know how to. I've seen people pry, pull, break, clips, all kind of stuff. So you want to avoid that as much as you can, guys. Perfect. Now we get a plastic panel removal tool. We should have only the clips holding that in place. So what we're going to do, actually, we're going to get it between the door panel, okay, and the door itself. And you need to pry. Okay, perfect. Now if any of the clips break, it could happen, guys, especially if they're super tight, or sometimes if they're old, the plastic will be more fragile. We'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can buy new ones from. So looks like this one is pretty tight. Okay, came loose now. Okay, let's see if it goes in, up. Now slide it up. And looks like we're hitting somewhere. Let's see if it's in the cover. I think it's in the cover for the mirror. Okay, right here. We should have removed that one. It has only 2 clips. Okay, perfect, came out. And now the door panel comes out, guys. What do we need to do? You have the wiring harness, you have the locking cables here. So we need to disconnect all that. Let me show you now how. Hopefully you will be able to see, guys, how to do that. Okay, because that's not as easy as you think. Okay, this one. We're going to disconnect that cable right there. Okay. Let's see what that cable is for. Okay, perfect. This one. Now we have all the room to show you guys how to disconnect the cables for the door handle, because one is a locking cable, one is actually the cable that opens the door. So those are pretty simple, actually. This one, okay, you're supposed to just grab it, okay, and pull it out. It has clips holding it. Then you come in an angle like that and, okay, get it out. Careful not to bend it, because this is easy to bend. Now this one, okay, we need to turn it. Okay, I'll turn it and we'll get a pliers, okay, small pliers, and we're going to push it on each side, or with a screwdriver, one at a time. No. Okay, it started coming out. Okay, it's extremely tight, guys. Okay, comes out, and now we come in an angle and pull it out. Okay, and you can see the door panel came out. Let us show you now where all the clips are on the back side, so you know what to expect. Now you're going to have, guys, okay, one guy here, clips, check it out, one, okay, came loose. Okay, that's okay right here. Okay, that clip. Okay, we need to remove that one, and we need to install it on the door panel. Then we have one there. You have a few different kinds. Okay, on the front. So this is the one that we need to remove. Over. Let's see how it's going to work now. We might need to get the metal clip remover too. Let me go ahead and grab it quick. So this one, you can see how it's stuck. The white piece is supposed to stay on the door. So everywhere, guys, that the white piece is out of the door, what do you have to do? Okay, you have to pop that thing and install it on the door panel. Okay, like that. Perfect. Now this one right here, okay, it's going to fly away, so you have to be careful. We need to come and get it loose too, if we can. So let's see how that's going to happen. I hate that design. So what we're going to do, okay, let's see if we can pull that clip out, okay. If we pull it out, I wonder if we can go ahead and install that clip on the door. Okay, and see if we can do it here. No, this clip this is stuck, guys, but the two pieces are supposed to separate each other. Ours just doesn't want to. If yours breaks, guys, like ours did, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, but you get the idea, okay, where all the clips are and what needs to be done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here around the speaker you have 6, 7, 8, 9, those are yellow. You can see 9 clips holding that door panel and a few bolts and screws. So next, what do we need to do? We actually need to go ahead and plug our window switch. Why? Because we will need, guys, okay, to bring the window down, okay, to a certain point. You can see right here you have 2 caps. Okay, we're connecting the switch, open them, and we need to bring the window to here so we can disconnect it. We're going to go ahead and turn the ignition on. Okay, let's see if we have the key here. Okay, perfect. That's it. Now we'll bring the window down. Up, too much. A little bit more. Up, too much. Okay, let's see. This one will work. This one will work too. Okay, you can see we have 2 bolts here that we need to remove now. Those are, okay, one more time. Those are with 8mm, guys. 8mm socket. We'll get them loose and we should be able to pull the window up. Hopefully, we'll see. So let's see if we can do that now. First one there. Okay, we actually had the 7mm, we didn't have the 8. So the 8mm, okay, we have it on the impact there. And we'll start with the front one. I think you just get it loose a few times. Okay, you don't have to remove them. Don't remove them. That's it. That's good. And one on this side. Like 1 or 2 revolutions, I think. We're going to figure it out, guys, together. So we'll grab and see if it's going to start coming up. If it's not, we may need to get them loose more. So let's see. Okay, still holding. So what I'll do, I'll start getting them loose. Okay, while one person, okay, is trying to pull it out. Okay, it needs to come all the way out. All the way out, guys. We have to remove the bolts all the way. You don't just get them loose because they're holding through the window. But you have to be careful not to drop them when you remove them. On some models, you just loosen those a little bit. On some, you remove them all the way. It really depends on how they design that stuff. But you're going to see how we're going to do it now. Okay, perfect. First bolt is out. Now let's do the second one. Okay, this one is coming out. Shorter bolt than the first one from what it seems. So we'll go ahead. Okay, it should be able to come loose now. Yep, it did. So we'll come on the outside. We're going to grab the window and in the middle, guys, in the center. Grab it in the center, pull it up. Okay, now it's disconnected from the window regulator. So once you unhook it, okay, you can go up on one side, down on the other one, and gently, guys, pull that window out. Okay, here we need to remove that. Okay, that thing, we need to remove it because there is a window guide there, okay, and that's where the two bolts attach to. Okay, check it out, 1 and 2, and the window you can see is out of the door now, so completely removed, guys. As you can see, nothing holding here now. So as you can see, guys, that's how you remove the front left door window. Front right will be pretty much exactly the same way. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do anything like that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Check out the link in the description of the video below for tools, parts and anything like that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.